Hi YouTube, Michael Beckett here. So, out buying food tonight. So, well, Saturday the 2nd of August. And it's still very warm and it's raining today, but so at least whilst it's raining, it's more humid. It tends to be less hot, objectively. So, not too bad at the moment. I really am enjoying the rain, though I'm in poncho here, you can see. Not just to say, really just checking in. Try to do a vlog every day in August, you know, basically, so you get something every day. Oh, one thing to bear in mind though, actually, the 11th Typhoon Kalon, the one that's a few days away, it's been graded to a Category 1 to a Category 3, so it's been stormy. Typhoon Nakri is going past Okinawa at the moment. None of these are, I don't think, well, Nakri is certainly not going to make that landfall. And we'll know nearer Wednesday how long it made landfall, but yeah, it's windy, so they never come directly on Osaka, really. I just get a bit worried because last year Kyoto was pretty badly flooded, so it can actually make pretty good, damage when it does happen. At the moment, I'm just going to be enjoying all the rain. As it's still incredibly humid, but at least it's 27 centigrade feeling like 31 rather than 31 feeling like 37. So it makes it a bit more bearable. But anyway, see ya. Bye.